So today I'm reviewing this whole wheat flour product. It's 3-pound bag, non-GMO, naturally better food, glyphosate-free. Let's see. It has 0.8 grams of more fiber. Calories 110. I'm just gonna pour this and show you guys how it looks inside, how it feels, the texture and everything, but it's a pretty good size. So right off the bat, it was pretty easy to peel off, though it is a struggle to seal it back in. So if you have a free container that you can put this leftover flour, I definitely do recommend. But this is how it looks. It's very soft, like good texture flour should be. It feels soft to the touch. It'll be good to make with pancakes, muffins, anything that really requires flour. If you want to make rolls, any of that good stuff, I would recommend this product. And it comes with a lot, but like I said, it'll be best to store this in a different bag because it does not close back easily. So yeah, that's the only problem I had with this, but definitely do recommend. It feels good, and I'm hopeful it tastes really good as well.